everybody, this is part 2. Compilation 3. Yes, I was just... No! This could be censored! No! Girls, do not... You should not watch this! Close your eyes, girls! Girls, close your eyes! No! Not my cringe video! Hey, please, do not play my cringe video! Oh! Alright, good. That's me and Kai now. Good. Maybe I'm gonna react sa my TikTok videos. Yes, Kai is an expert of SpongeBob's. Not my cringe video, please. Please. Turkit Miley. Hello. Ooh. Good. Please, girls, do not watch the last one. So easy. A lot of people cannot do this. Easy. Just be a genius. They are very like this. So easy.
Black pencil, green pencil, big banana pencil. Chamba, kuyamba, merima, miniate.
Okay. Hello. Yes, the backcut video. Hello, it's done. Very ridiculous. So often. Very ridiculous. Remember from those, the one that we're going to Cebu? Yes, the line videos. Yes. There. Easy. Hi. Maybe I'm gonna upload this. Can you please skip that cringe video? Hate it. Another loading. Yes, for sure. I'm reacting to my videos. Yes, you remember that part 2. And then, so, no, do not see that. No, it's nothing. You didn't see anything. Please.
It's me again, Greg. And then
Yes, you saw that. Okay, let's skip those big announcements, please. Please skip.
I am gonna have day 1, day 2, day 3.
No. No. Let's see that. No. No. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything of that. No. Okay. Okay, good. It's now good. Easy. People does not know that sometimes.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Everybody
It's me,
sleep.
Dragon.
Please skip it. Yes. Maybe it's me. What?
They say that your guardian
right.
angel or your guardian
Ovulation.
demon is always right in front of you.
It was just a room makeover. See that? It's just a room makeover. Look. Look at that.
They're both over there.
No one can do this.
One of my
Close your
favorite
eyes
videos.
and try to hit the red plus button.
Yes,
and
I like it.
Did you do it?
Yes. Okay, close look. I don't know how. Okay, back. Okay. Hello. Let's just wait. Yes. Yeah. That's my first video on YouTube. Yes. My first video on YouTube, but not my first video on TikTok.
Don't have two best.
Alright, please.
I just have one.
Please pause it, please.
Cool, neat loving best friend.
Please stop it. Hello. Okay. And then I have a TikTok channel, right? Remember that? That is not my first video on TikTok. Now I don't know why it got so quick. Good.
I don't have two best friends. I just have one. One awesome, cool, neat loving best friend.
Please no. Hey, skip that. Hey. Hate it.
They say that your guardian angel or
See
your
you.
guardian demon
You
is
didn't
always
see that,
right in front of
girls. Girls.
Hello, everybody. Here we are at Lana's.
Yes, Lana's Kalapihan. We were at Kalapihan that time.
I am with Nanay in my mukbang time, and then we're here for another mukbang. And then this is Tita Glana. Follow me on TikTok. And then thanks to our vlogger family, I have my TikTok channel. And then please follow.
Please add me on Friendster.
Add. And then I am gonna.
Okay, please skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Please skip it. Skip it. Thank you. Okay. Boring. Please. Bye.